Choosing the right windows and doors for your Crestview home is a decision that has far-reaching impacts, from the aesthetic appeal of your property to its energy efficiency and security. With so many options available, the process can feel overwhelming, but taking the time to make thoughtful choices can dramatically improve both the functionality and value of your home. Whether you're renovating an existing home or building a new one, this guide will help you make informed decisions about the windows and doors that best suit your needs. Consider your home's architectural style. The architectural style of your home is one of the most important factors when selecting windows and doors. The right style can enhance your home's overall appearance, while mismatched features can detract from its charm. Traditional homes. If your Crestview home has a traditional or colonial design, consider wooden windows and doors with classic features such as grills, sashes, and raised panels. These elements will complement the timeless look of your home while providing durability and character. Modern homes. For homes with modern architecture, opt for sleek aluminum-framed windows or fiberglass doors with large glass panels. These materials are perfect for creating a minimalist, open feel with ample natural light. Consider oversized windows or sliding glass doors to take advantage of panoramic views and a contemporary look. Cottage and craftsman homes. If your home has a craftsman or cottage-style design, choose wooden-framed windows and doors with natural finishes and distinctive touches like arched windows or decorative hardware. These elements add warmth and a handcrafted feel that perfectly complements the cozy, charming nature of these homes. Energy efficiency. One of the top priorities when selecting windows and doors should be energy efficiency, especially in Crestview, where the climate can fluctuate between hot summers and cooler winters. Energy-efficient windows and doors help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reduce energy costs, and improve the overall sustainability of your home. Double or triple glazed windows. Choose windows with double or triple glazing. These windows have multiple panes of glass, with insulating gas between them, to reduce heat transfer. They keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, ensuring you don't waste energy trying to regulate the temperature. Low-E glass. Low emissivity, low-E glass coatings reflect infrared heat back into your home during winter, while blocking out heat from the sun during the summer. This helps regulate the indoor temperature more efficiently, reducing the need for air conditioning or heating. Weather stripping and insulation. Ensure your windows and doors have proper weather stripping and insulation to prevent drafts and air leaks. Poorly sealed windows and doors are a significant cause of energy loss, which could increase your monthly utility bills. Durability and maintenance. Your windows and doors need to withstand the test of time, especially in Crestview's varying weather conditions. Selecting durable materials that are easy to maintain will save you time and money over the years. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are a great option for homeowners looking for low-maintenance, durable windows. They won't rot, warp, or need painting, making them an ideal choice for busy homeowners who want long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are known for their strength and insulating properties. They resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in fluctuating temperatures, making them a great choice for exterior doors. They also come in a variety of styles, from traditional to contemporary, and can replicate the appearance of wood while requiring less maintenance. Wooden windows and doors. Wooden frames provide a timeless, classic look, but they do require regular maintenance, such as repainting or sealing, to prevent damage from moisture or temperature changes. Choose high-quality wood and ensure proper sealing if you opt for wood-framed windows and doors. Security features. Your windows and doors are essential for the security of your home. You want to choose windows and doors that are both strong and secure, helping to keep your family and belongings safe. Multi-point locking systems. When selecting doors, look for multi-point locking systems. These systems lock the door at multiple points, making it harder for intruders to break in. Many patio or entry doors come with these advanced locking mechanisms, providing added security. Impact-resistant glass. For windows, consider choosing impact-resistant glass, which is designed to withstand forceful impacts and is harder to break than regular glass. This type of glass is perfect for homes in areas prone to high winds or for homeowners who prioritize enhanced security. Strong frames. Select windows and doors with reinforced frames, particularly for exterior doors and ground-level windows. Frames made of fiberglass, steel, or composite materials provide additional protection against break-ins. Noise reduction. If your Crestview home is located near a busy street or in a noisy area, reducing external noise can make your home more comfortable and peaceful. Fortunately, many windows and doors are designed with noise-reducing features. Double or triple glazed windows. Not only do double or triple glazed windows improve energy efficiency, but they also help block out noise. The multiple panes of glass create a sound barrier, making them perfect for homes in noisy neighborhoods or close to traffic. Laminated glass. Laminated glass is another option for noise reduction. The inner layer of plastic in laminated glass absorbs sound waves, making it an excellent choice for homes that are exposed to high levels of noise. Budget and value. While it's tempting to go for the cheapest option, investing in quality windows and doors will pay off in the long run. Consider your budget and weigh the benefits of choosing energy-efficient, durable options. Higher quality windows and doors might come with a higher initial cost, but they will save you money on energy bills and maintenance over time. Plus, they'll add value to your home, which is a great advantage if you plan to sell in the future. Conclusion. Selecting the right windows and doors for your Crestview home requires careful consideration of factors like style, energy efficiency, security, and durability. By choosing high-quality materials that complement your home's architecture and offer long-lasting performance, you can ensure that your home remains comfortable, secure, and attractive for years to come. Whether you opt for vinyl windows, fiberglass doors, or wooden frames, the right choice will enhance your home's functionality, security, and curb appeal.